Hey everybody, it's Alexa here. Today we are going to do, my neck's been kind of killing me. We're going to do a floating neck today. We are starting off with a fresh, bare face. We are putting on some foundation, just powdering over that. Taking it down to my neck, we are going to do some body paint today. So we're taking some black body paint and we're just going to let this first coat dry. This is going to be the base for our neck. And I'm just going to put a little bit of face makeup on. I'm just doing a rusty kind of red-brown color in my crease. Doing another coat of this black. We go back a lot for this. I kind of outlined with some white. I didn't put it in because it was really tedious and you really couldn't tell what I was doing with the white. So we are just kind of outlining wherever the black is, and then we're going to fill that in with some red, and we're going to fill this in with some more black and stuff like that. So I would suggest you use more of a flesh-based tone when outlining than a white. I made that mistake. Obviously you can see it in some of my pictures and stuff like that. And you can see it on the final product. But that is my only suggestion to you. So we're going to do another coat of this paint. Put on some eye makeup. Do a really big wing, and I didn't put on false lashes for this look because it's all about the neck, so feel free to do whatever you like. I of course just focused on the neck. I've never done this before, so this is my first time doing it. To be honest, I'm not entirely happy with how this turned out. I'm just putting on some mascara now. Like I said, I'm not entirely happy how this turned out, but I decided I'd put it up anyway. Maybe we'll do another attempt in the future now that I kind of know where to start and how to do it. That's probably, one of the hardest parts of makeup is how to start and where you're going with everything like that. So I'm just putting on some eyebrows, and everything I'm using will be in the description box down below in case you are like, hey, wait, what did she use? It's down in the description box down below. I'm just hiding a little bit. I'm not contouring, I just put on a little bit of blush. So I'm starting to fill in the cut off neck portion with some red. Making faces, because why not? Jump back into it. Make sure you leave more than like one or two spots for your neck for like the dripping or like the pulling away, and leave some room for like the outer side of the neck and stuff like that. I'm jumping around and putting on lipstick now because I can't just not jump around in a video. I'm creating where your neck is, like where it should go and stuff like that, like the base for your neck. I guess it should be more white than anything because it would be connected to your spine. But we went with dark brown black color, so that's what we're doing there. Just kind of shading and filling in with different colors. Oh, and now we're adding the blood. So my blood was a little bit dried out, so it wasn't as runny as it should be. So I would suggest getting some really, really runny blood. And of course, you guys know I don't use real blood, but your fake blood and everything like that. I feel like I have to clarify sometimes because people are like, you're using blood? I'm like, fake blood. It's not real. So make sure that your shoulders are covered. As you can see, I was looking at myself and I'm like, hey, wait a minute. Look at that. And of course, I'm not naked. You guys know I wear a bodice when I do my makeup around my chest and stuff like that. So this was the finished portion. I just edited the lighting a little bit and just kind of made it look a little bit different with the lighting, so you can see that it was a floating neck. But I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any suggestions for future videos, please leave those in the comments down below. Although all of Halloween we are doing a tutorial every day. Today is day 5, so stay tuned for day 6. She is a classic, a favorite of mine. I love you guys, and I will see you next video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!